everyone, my name is Monica and today we have a very special guest, Mr. Vishal Mathur ji. Hi.
Hello.
What are the new product are you going to launch today?
Uh, Hi, Monica. So these products are the LMD trucks, which we are adding with a lot of new features, and also these trucks are with the air conditioning feature, which has been implemented by the as per government requirement from the June. But we were ready with the air conditioning feature with the HVAC actually in much before the norms were implemented because of our sheer technology advancement. And these trucks are with the Pro Plus series, in which we are giving our customers higher productivity and much more comfort to their drivers. And of course, these trucks come with a lot of other features which helps our drivers driving the more number of kilometers in a day. And then of course, these trucks come with a lot of different cargo body lengths. So starting with the 10 feet and going up to 33 feet, we have the cargo body options in between 10 feet to 33 feet. So which helps our customer picking the truck as per their requirement for their application, as per their convenience, and they don't have to make, I would say, any alteration or any correction in the vehicle once they purchase the truck on the cargo body side.
आइसर इस segment में कैसे आगे बढ़ सकता है?
Okay, so just to give the context, we have been improving our market share year on year in the light and duty category. So last year we had the 36% market share, and in fact we were the market leader in this category. And we had a strong quarter one performance, so we improved our position in quarter one as well. So I think by virtue of giving the I would say superior quality trucks, most productive trucks, and the most fuel efficiency trucks, keeping their overall cost on the lower side, we help our customer in improving their business profitability. So by doing these so many things, I think we should grow up in the market.
आपकी आफ्टर सेल सर्विस इंडस्ट्री में सबसे बेहतरीन कैसे हैं?
ओके, सो आपको मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि हमारी आफ्टर सेल सर्विस सबसे अच्छी इसलिए है कि एक तो हमारा नेटवर्क बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. हमारा पूरे इंडिया के अंदर वी हैव गॉट मोर देन 1100 टच पॉइंट्स एंड 350 वर्कशॉप्स, ऑथराइज वर्कशॉप्स, plus more than 8,000 parts retailer all across the country. Thereby, and then we also have the container setups for our customer who are operating into the construction segment or on the site operations. So thereby we give them lot of support on keeping their uptime very high. And also all our trucks in the BS6 are connected trucks. That means they come with the factory fitted telematics feature. By virtue of that, all the trucks are being connected with our uptime center. So and by uptime center, I mean that we are getting the lot of data from the trucks on the ongoing basis to our uptime center, and we are able to predict any issue that might come in the vehicle or anything which is not happening on the vehicle. So this predictive maintenance is very helpful to our customer. So this keeps very high uptime for the customer. Therefore, they are running the trucks without any problem. Okay. And once they run the truck without any problem, that means they are happy with us, and happy customers तो हमेशा आपको अच्छा लगते हैं.
Right. So due to new rules, ACs are important in the trucks, right?
Yes.
So can you tell me कि ये जो owners हैं और drivers हैं उनके लिए क्या beneficial है?
देखिए, एयर कंडीशनिंग का सबसे अच्छा फ़ायदा तो ये होता है कि जो ड्राइवर्स की जो प्रोडक्टिविटी होती है, दैट बिकम्स बेटर बिकॉज दे आर मोर कंफर्टेबल ड्राइविंग द मोर किलोमीटर्स इन अ डे. एंड वंस दे ड्राइव मोर किलोमीटर्स डे, दैट मीन्स a truck will cover more kilometers in the month. Thereby they will be more freight they will earn, so they will have the better earnings. जब बेटर अर्निंग होगी तो नेचुरली प्रॉफिट ज़्यादा होंगे. और उस एयर कंडीशनिंग के अलावा हमारे जो कैबिन में बहुत सारे और भी फीचर है, जैसे कि हमारे ड्राइवर्स जो कस्टमर्स हैं और ड्राइवर्स हैं उनको बहुत आराम रहता है. जैसे कि हमारा जो सीटिंग है उसकी जो उसका क्लोथिंग है वो भी बहुत कंफर्टिंग क्लोथिंग है. कॉम्फी 2.0 क्लोथिंग बोलते हैं उसे हम. उसके अलावा हमारी गाड़ियों में टिल्टिंग एंड टेलीस्कोपिक स्टीयरिंग आता है, तो ड्राइवर्स बंधु अपने हिसाब से स्टीयरिंग का एडजस्टमेंट कर सकते हैं, तो दे कैन बी मोर कम्फर्ट. उनको ज़्यादा झुकना नहीं पड़ेगा, उनको फटीग कम रहेगा.
Can you tell me about your target market?
So we are present all over the country, and we are actually market leaders in many states. We are improving our market share month on month. In fact, last year we were the market leader for the full year in the LMD category. In the quarter one also we maintained our market leadership. So I think we would like to provide the best trucks and solution to all our customers across the country. So I would say all the markets, all the segments, we are present with our trucks, and we are doing well there.
So as I heard कि जो आइसर के जो ट्रक होते हैं उसको कहा जाता है माइलेज का बादशाह. क्यों कहा जाता है?
So mileage का बादशाह मतलब ये कि we are giving the, I would say, best mileage in the particular application. एंड हमारी जो ट्रक्स हैं उसमें बहुत सारे ऐसे फीचर्स हैं जिससे कि हमारी गाड़ियों की जो माइलेज है वो सुपीरियर मिलती है। जैसे हमारे 7 स्पीड गियर बॉक्स आते हैं काफ़ी ट्रक्स में, तो उससे डबल ओवरड्राइव होता है। तो जो गाड़ी चलती है 55 या 60 किलोमीटर के ऊपर की स्पीड पे, तो हमारे ड्राइवर बंधु जो है डबल गियर को, डबल टॉप को या 7th गियर को यूज़ कर सकते हैं, तो उससे माइलेज एफिशिएंसी में फ़र्क पड़ता है। देन उसके अलावा विस्कोस्ट्रॉनिक फ़ैन है, वेरिएबल इशू टर्बो चार्जर हैं, ऐसे बहुत सारे टेक्निकल फीचर हैं। इसके कारण हमारी गाड़ी के जो माइलेज हैं वो काफ़ी अच्छे आते हैं। और सबसे बढ़िया बात यह है कि जैसे हमारे को ड्राइवर गाड़ी चला रहे हैं और तो वो उनको डैशबोर्ड पे एक फीचर दिखता है, इसको हम बोलते हैं फ्यूल कोचिंग, इसे लाइक ऑनलाइन फ्यूल कोचिंग। तो अगर आप गाड़ी चलाएंगे और आपकी गाड़ी की अगर स्पीड के हिसाब से आपने गाड़ी गियर नहीं लगाया हुआ है, सो यू विल नॉट गेट द ग्रीन थंब। दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू चेंज द गियर एंड और एडजस्ट द स्पीड। So once you adjust the speed and change the gear as per the load on the vehicle, then you get the 2 thumbs like this on the dashboard. That means you are driving at the sweet spot. At that sweet spot, you have the best fuel efficiency of the vehicle on the given load. So all these things makes our drivers and customers achieve the best fuel efficiency. Once they achieve the best fuel efficiency, naturally they make more money and it's profitable for them. And all our wherever we are selling the vehicle, customers are benefiting from the fuel efficiency and therefore they say कि Aisha is mileage का बादशाह.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you so much, Monica. Nice talking to you.